If you're in Naples, like, do it right. Get the margarita. Ciao, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I wanted to recap this amazing day that I had in Naples. It's just a super quick 2.5 hour, two-ish, 2.5 hour, depending on traffic, a car ride from Rome to Naples. Something I think is so cool about Italy is how much they care about quality of food. So even when you stop at the gas station to go to the restroom, there is, you know, amazing high quality like foods, like little deli foods to have a snack, pastries to have a snack, to get a good quality coffee. They keep the quality consistent, no matter if it's like a 5-star restaurant or if it's at a gas station. Quality is quality. They love their food, their drinks. It's important to them. They don't skimp on the quality. Once we arrived, we started off the day yet again with another coffee. And if you're in Naples, in Napoli, this is the best way possible to start the day. A cafe and a sfogliatella. Sfogliatella is a traditional, probably one of the most famous pastries that comes from Naples, and there are a bunch of pastries that are very famous to the region of Naples, and a sfogliatella is one of them. That with a coffee, they go hand in hand. It's the best way to start your day. There are two kinds of sfogliatella I just wanted to share real quick. I think it was very interesting to me. Both are filled with kind of a ricotta mixture, but the sfogliatella that is the most popular by far is the riccia, and that is the lobster tail, as the Americans would call it, looking sfogliatella filled with ricotta. It's kind of like almost like layers of puff pastries. And the frolla is a different style where it's kind of got a thick, crunchy crust. They kind of like cookie-esque crunch on the outside, and inside is that really decadent, dense ricotta mixture. So then after we had that delicious breakfast, or little like mid-morning snack, we walked towards this famous street, and it's very historic, very popular, and it's incredibly popular, especially during Christmas time. Street name is called Via San Gregorio Armeno, which is just known for these nativity sets that are handmade, that are super intricate, have a lot of earthy materials. It is just filled to the brim with all of these stores. This famous street is filled with these nativity sets all year round. These presepi are filled all over the street, and they've got all these little different ways, like they have all these different little figurines and foods, and they have like this little thing of a bread basket. So many different ways to kind of make it your own little nativity set. You can customize it, you can pick and choose the pieces that you want to go in there, you can tell a story. Another thing that I showed on that street that they pictured a lot, which is called the corno. So it is the Italians' version of the evil eye. Basically it wards off any bad luck. Mal occhio, which means bad eye. It's just a little tradition, so I thought I'd include sharing that. once we ended at that street, we landed in the area of Tribunali, which is where Sobrillo is, which is one of the like probably top two, maybe top famous pizzeria in Naples. It was about 12:30 when we got there to that kind of street, that area. So we had to wait in line because you're gonna, if it's a Saturday in Naples and you want the best pizza possible, I mean, all their pizza is really good. Obviously, it's Naples, you can't go wrong. We waited in line for about 45 minutes and we finally got in to eat the best margarita ever. If you're in Naples, like, do it right. Get the margarita. So we devoured the most delicious, like I'm telling you, we devoured it. I don't think we talked in between bites. Like it was just so good, such a good pizza. And then after the pizza, we walked a little bit more to my favorite part of the entire day. Without question, my favorite part was this monastery called Santa Chiara. It's also a church as well, and it was absolutely stunning. Like it just embodied everything that is kind of the Campania region. Kind of, it gave me a lot of Amalfi Coast kind of vibes with these beautiful tiles. The orange trees were in season, so you got to see the oranges on the trees. It was just so beautiful. After Santa Chiara, the next like big place that we stopped in was called Galleria Umberto I. It's a very historic gallery that was originally designed for like shops and eating place and just a gathering place in general back in the day, and it kind of still is that same thing. It's still filled with shops, but it was just beautiful architecture on the inside. and it's right next to one of the most historic cafes called Cafe Gambrinus. For a coffee to get some more energy to finish off the day, but also they got, because I don't like liquor. I know, I'm weird. I'll drink a glass of wine every day, but I won't have liquor because I'm not an actual drinker. But we stopped to get a bubba, or they all had a bubba, a little mini bubba. Those are called pasticcini, and the pasticcini are the little tiny pastries that are just like 2 or 3 bites that just, you know, satisfy your sweet tooth. What I show you guys in my vlogs every week on Sundays, we get an assortment of pasticcini, but this pasticcini was a bubba, and it is kind of like a cake, a long cake, and it's soaked in a liqueur. That is also another traditional pastry of Naples. After that, in every city in Italy, when there's a long walkway along the ocean, it's called a lungomare. So this was the lungomare of Naples, and we took our time walking all along the lungomare. It became a little bit dark, so we got to see some Christmas lights all throughout the city. Then we kind of made one big large circle all back to get to the car. It was a fantastic day. So I know I did a lot of talking in between all those beautiful scenes of the day in Naples, but I just wanted to help explain a little bit more about Naples, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go to Naples soon. I had such a good day, and I really hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. You got some kind of value out of this. If you did enjoy, please hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on that notification bell so you can know when I upload, because I upload every single week, and you can be one of the first ones to watch. And I am so grateful for you, so grateful for your support. Thank you so much. I cannot thank you enough. It's because of you that I upload, that I get so much joy from uploading and documenting and sharing, and I can't tell you, like, I know I say it a million times at the end of every one of my videos, but thank you so much. You are making my dreams come true. I couldn't be more grateful for you. And until next time, I hope you create a very zestful day. Ciao.